Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to create text box with borders in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then create a blank document. Then we go to the insert menu and click text box and choose any text box. Now we see our text box created. Now we write something in this text box. Then we go to the format menu and click shape outline. Then select any color in this color panel. Then we want to change border size to click white and increase the border. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.